Hey guys, you are coming home with me.
What is all of that?
What?
Honey, no you.
Honey, that's it. That's all I'm not buying anymore, I promise.
Hey, no, no,
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing a Christmas shopping haul round 2 because it seemed like a lot of you guys liked it. So since I went shopping, I might as well show you what I bought. Right now you'll see I am surrounded by a bunch of Christmas decoration items. There are some items here that are from my first haul, so if I don't mention it in this video and you want to know where I got it from, please refer to my first Christmas video, which I will link up above and in the description box below. Make sure you check out the description box because I do break down details as to which item I purchased from each store, because sometimes I may miss it. I may not have mentioned it in the video, so just refer to the description box and you'll get all that information that you need. Alright, to get started, I'm gonna talk about my trees. So I had grown a little bigger collection of Christmas trees. I got my mini Christmas trees, medium, I guess like 16-inch Christmas trees, and then of course I have my full-size Christmas tree, which will be in another video, so stay tuned. I will be decorating my house and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So aside from the more green Christmas trees, I have the very artificial figurines. So this here I got from Costco, and this is the smaller size. It comes in a pack of 3. The 3 sizes come in a big box like this, so this is what it looks like. And I'm sorry of the light reflection. I'm still trying to figure out how to do a good setup. So there's a big, medium, and a small, which are these right here. Looks a little something like this. And it actually lights up, so it's battery operated. I don't really like to light them up. I just think they're pretty like this, so I have them around the house without turning on the light. The other Christmas trees that I bought here, which is very similar to this one here, they are both from Ross and they come in a square wooden base. I also found these 3 mini trees. So this one here is from Target. I got a few of these. This one here is from Target as well. Very simple. It looks very realistic, but it's not. And then, oh, actually I got this one from Target too in the dollar section. But then again, it was not $1, it was $3, but I'm very happy with it. I love the burlap look, and this was actually the last one on the shelf when I bought it that time, but I'm sure they refilled it. There was a lot of other styles, but this one said my name. So yes, I love them. And I'm just going to be putting these around the house. I will definitely share with you once I decide where these are going to be sitting. So the next thing I'm going to share with you guys is my ornaments, and these are going to be the ornaments or the theme of my Christmas tree. So I laid them all out here on a platter, but I'm going to put it on my lap so I can just share with you. Okay, everything that I'm about to show you is from Target. They have a really big selection of ornaments, but it's kind of like a treasure hunt. You really got to dig. Everyone kind of put their hands in them and misplace them here and there, but if you are able to find nice ones, I say grab them because they go so quickly. Obviously, you know that I really like the white theme. Anything that's white really captures my attention, so I tend to buy a lot of white things. For the first few ornaments I'm going to share with you, there are 3 different types of acorns, and they are all white or flocked, and they have some sparkles on them. The next thing I found are these birds. There's 4 different types of birds. There's this guy here. There's this one. This one. And this is the last one. So I think I bought about 3 of each, and they will also be going up
On my Christmas tree.
More white ornaments that I found was this little elephant, which I thought was cute. Obviously it's not a bird, it doesn't really go with my theme, but he's going up with it. Then this one here, I bought a few of these as well, which are 2 little birds sitting together. Yeah, I bought 4 boxes of these ornaments, which come in a variety pack. So there's about 6 different styles in here, which I really like. Again, I like the white silver theme, so this was a perfect pack for me. I also bought these, which is it was in another set, I believe, but I took it out of the box. This one is more textured and it has a lot of sparkles to it. Time for a little story time. So over the past week, I literally went to Target, I think about 4 times. So the first time I went, I seen these. And if you don't think these are adorable, I don't know what adorable is. Let me show you a little closer. So I have ketchup and french fries, avocado toast, bacon and eggs, and pizza and a soda? Or Starbucks? I think it's soda. But anyways, I seen these at Target the first trip. They were the last ones there, okay? They were the last ones just lying there in the bin. And I picked them. I touched all of them. I said, oh my God, these are so cute. But I was like, it just doesn't go with the theme of anything in my house. Obviously, I like white, more muted colors. Nothing too bright and bold like this. So that's what made me put them back down. Okay, so I said goodbye to them. Second trip to Target, I was actually with my sister. And I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta show you these ornaments if they're still there. They're super cute. Lo and behold, they were still there, all 4 of them, okay? So I showed them and she's like, yeah, those are cute. And I was like, you're not gonna get them? And she's like, no. And I was like, oh, I kind of want to get them. It sort of crossed my mind again if I should buy them. But again, I thought, nah, it doesn't go at my theme. Goodbye. Third time I went, I told myself, if those darn ornaments are still there, I'm gonna buy them. Because I think that is a sign and I will regret not buying them. I went straight to that section and they were still there. One of each of them. I swear they were the same ones because I never did see multiples of them and they were always in the same area. So I was like, hey guys, you are coming home with me. I mean, how do you resist? They were even smiling at me. Could you have passed up on these? I didn't think so, but sorry, I bought the last ones. Long story short, if there's something that you really like, just get it because you can always return it. But the one thing you're not gonna like is going home and regretting that you didn't buy it and then going back to the store and not seeing it ever again. Now, the 4th time I went to Target, I said, I'm going to go back there just to see if they restocked on it. Nope, they weren't there. Because you know why? They were at home with Mama. And that is my story of my food ornaments that I really don't know what I'm going to do with yet. But I'm so glad I got them. And I'm happy to have them be a part of my family. I made a good decision, right? They're cute. Okay. I do have a few more ornaments that I want to share with you, but this has nothing to do with what I purchased this past week, but they are very special to me, so I figured I'd just show you guys anyways. So the first one I'm going to show you is this Disney collection, and this is like a classic, and my mother-in-law actually gave this to me, which I cherish this so much. I don't know what year she got this from, but there is Lilo and Stitch on there, so I don't think it's like extremely old. But then again, shoot, Lilo and Stitch has been around for a while. If anybody knows what year Lilo and Stitch came out, comment it down below. But I wanted to just share with you how beautiful these ornaments are. So I'm going to start off with Tinkerbell. And then there's Dumbo, Lilo and Stitch, Winnie the Pooh, Pinocchio, Alice in Wonderland, and Bambi. Isn't that just beautiful? I love this. This is, it's just like treasure to me. So I always have this out for display for Christmas. I never do hang them on a tree. I'll display it some other way. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it this year, but I'll figure something out. The next item I'm going to show you is another Disney ornament. This ornament is dear to me because I purchased it at Disney World on my honeymoon. And this is another ornament I do not hang, but I like to display as Christmas decoration. But I think it's so beautiful. I just wanted to show you. It's a glass Mickey Mouse with a Disney World castle on the inside. How many of you guys been to Disney World? I only went once and I just can't wait to go back. Once this whole pandemic simmers down more, I really hope to bring my family there. But yes, if you're a Disney fan, raise your hand. Speaking of being a Disney fan, I'm going to show you one last ornament. And this one was actually hand painted by me. This was for a little friendly work competition last year. It was just, we had to create a Disney themed ornament. So I just painted a few different Disney characters. So I have Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Mickey Mouse, there's Goofy, and Stitch. This was really fun to make. I think that is it for the ornaments. So another item that I purchased from Target is this little pom-pom wreath. I know you're thinking I could have made this myself, but now I don't need to. I may do a DIY project with. I may add a little bit more to it. What do you guys think? Should my food ornaments go on here? Your guys' advice. Do you think food items should go on here, or should I just keep this wreath plain? I could definitely do a lot with it, but I'm not sure yet. This is a thought. I found these Peppermint Crunch pieces from TJ Maxx, and I know they're just crushed up candy cane or peppermint candy, but I have a lot of recipes that I'm going to be doing for Christmas that I know I can really utilize this for, so I figure I might as well just buy them already crushed, and it looks like this. It's going to make a nice garnish for a lot of holiday treats. Alright, so I saved the best for last. Remember in my first video how I started off with a little gnome? Let me get him for you. He needs to be part of this clip. Come here, little guy. Okay, so with the first haul that I did, I don't know if you guys caught, but I showed you this little guy, this little gnome. And I mentioned in the video that I'm going to start collecting these. Now, once I get into something, I need it like right away. So since I went shopping, part of me was really going on a gnome hunt. And it was successful, let me tell you. So this was my first love for gnomes. Eee! Come here. Alright, so I found these at a few different locations. I left the tag on there just so I can share with you where I got them from. Although I'm sure if you have been shopping, you've seen them all over the place. I don't know, I've never thought they were cute before. I actually thought they were creepy, but I think it's because in my mind I had that, I'll put it right here. This guy I don't think is cute. He's creepy to me. But this is cute. And I just adore these. This one is from TJ Maxx, and he has, or she, oh, I'm sorry. This is a she. She's totally a she. She's wearing a dress. See? And she has braided hair. TJ Maxx was where it was at with the gnomes, let me tell you. They had all types. This guy is also from TJ Maxx. I like the color. It's very neutral. This guy though, okay, this is, I think out of all my gnomes, this guy's my favorite one. He's also from TJ Maxx. I love him because he's slumped. He's a big fella, or a big little fella, but he has his plaid outfit on, and his bottom is heavy. He's weighted with like feels like sandbags. So yes, this guy is my favorite, next to Lucky over there. And if you see in my first video, you know who Lucky is and why his name is Lucky. And the last two that I'm going to show you are from Marshall's. This one I love because his hat has pom-poms on it. and I love anything with tassels or pom-poms. So I had to get this guy. He does light up if you put batteries in them. So like his beard lights up, but I don't know, I'm not really into the whole light up things. I like to actually just keep the battery out of it, and I'm just gonna leave it as is. But it's nice to have that option. And the last one I'm gonna show you is this guy here, and he is also from Marshall's, and he has this green sparkly hat. And the nice thing about this guy is I got him for half off because the bottom half of him was missing. So I can't even put a battery in it, which I was totally fine with because I don't want to put batteries in it or light it up anyways. So they actually marked it down from $6.99 to $3.50 for me, and I was so happy with that. So yes, those are all my new babies, my gnomes that I just adore. I don't know how I started loving them, and I don't know if it's just like a recent trend because I don't remember seeing them around this much last Christmas. But I could be wrong. It probably just didn't catch my eye. And I will now collect these. Alright guys, that is it for my second Christmas shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to come back because I have a whole lot more holiday inspired videos that I need to share with you, including crafts and recipes. So if you like this type of content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Come on.
What the heck is this?
I need help stacking. Okay, ready?
You're getting out of control. What are you?
I just need help. Can you like place them on? Oh, there. I need more though. Oh gosh. No, not on top of me. Honey, no, you're gonna ruin my hair. Put them over here. Okay. Leave me alone. They're so cute. My little big man.